A dual console configuration embodies the original concept of an all-around, do-everything, family-oriented boat. Not many of these are offered today in an ever-changing market, but the 203 DFS Key West is a standout for many reasons and has been warmly received by boating families for the last decade. Before we get to the features and benefits of this model, let's consider the hull design itself. To achieve the best handling and performance, a boat's dimensions and design should be well balanced. The length to width ratio is important, as well as the overall depth and angle of entry. The 203 DFS is one of the most perfectly balanced boats in these respects ever introduced, resulting in a ride that far exceeds what is typically expected from a boat of this size, and its handling is second to none. Most importantly, it is a product of Key West Boats, a family-owned company that has been building boats for the last 4 decades. Let's start the walkthrough at the bow, where we have the familiar and convenient top-load anchor locker. This arrangement places the necessary but bulky anchor out of sight, yet within easy access when needed, and it allows for ample rope storage under the deck. Notice too that the hinges are always flush mounted to prevent hang-ups when lines slide over the closed lid. Combined with pop-up cleats, you have a smooth surface to slide off at the beach or step off at a dock. The bowrider section up front offers ample legroom to stretch out for comfortable riding or to catch a few rays, and the wraparound backrest provides nice support for either activity. Under the seats, you have easily accessible storage for the items you might need for a fun day on the water. As we walk back to the helm, there is a stylish, curved, tempered glass windshield wrapping around and flowing nicely down to the gunnels on each side. The console on the helm side has more storage space underneath, and on the port side there's a modest-sized potty compartment that can be used for storage as needed. At the helm, there's a generously sized captain's seat. On the port side, you'll find a back-to-back seat that converts to a lounge. At the stern is the popular and useful wraparound design, offering a bench seat across the stern and a rear-facing lounge behind the captain's seat. Of course, there's more useful storage under the seats. On the port side, there's a recessed rod locker. This is a multi-purpose boat after all, so rod storage and trolling rod holders are needed, along with the live well hiding out under the rear bench seat. When you aren't fishing, the live well is a convenient and out-of-sight trash receptacle. As with all Key West boats, the 203 DFS features a self-bailing cockpit. The floor drains empty overboard, not into the bilge. Combined with the standard upright and level flotation, this model is perfectly at home in open bays or harbors and is as safe as a boat this size can be when the occasional storm pops up. Notice the optional ski tow on this boat. Not only is it a convenient place for the tow lines, it also serves as a useful handhold while climbing in from the stern-mounted ladder. From cruising to fishing, sandbar hopping, or water sports, the 203 DFS is a family-friendly, multi-purpose, comfortable, and safe vessel for active, outdoor-focused families. We encourage you to stop by a local Key West boat dealer and see one today.